Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your theme into dark mode on VS Code, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your theme into dark mode on VS Code, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to click the View menu at the top. And here at the View menu, you will see the Command Palette option right here, just go and click it. And after clicking it, a search bar will appear right here, so here on the search bar, I want you to search for Preferences. And after searching, you will see that many preferences option will appear, but among these options, I want you to select this color theme option. And after that, there it is guys, you will now see many options to select depending on the theme that you want, but since this video is about turning your theme into dark mode, we will just focus on selecting among these options, so just select whatever fits your taste. In my case, I will select this dark mode Visual Studio option right here. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now changed the theme of your VS Code just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.